For the duration of the Supreme Court hearings, City Hall Way, Taifa Road and Wabera Street will remain closed. Security has been heightened around the Supreme Court. Not even this man, who came equipped to submit his prayers, was spared.
I was just here to pray for Kenya.
It's okay.
This country needs repentance. And tell Kenyan people to repent.
He was instructed to return another day. As the man of cloth exited, business people around the Supreme Court were praying for a miracle. On a normal Saturday, there would be a lot of activity going on in this space as hundreds of people frequent the Maasai market. But with the closure of Wabera and City Hall Way, it only means that business has been hampered, and they are not the only traders affected.
So without the movement, because you see next door, there's a Forex Bureau, so mostly there's some movements of people as they enter to do M-Pesa, as they enter to do the exchange rate. Mostly we get clients at that time, yes.
And today, how was business?
It was really low, very, very low.
For a whole week, we are not doing any business. It's really hitting us hard, considering that also the business has been low before the elections. When things were getting back to normal, we get back to the same problem.
They say they were not warned ahead of the closure of the roads.
Like next week is a school opening. We have good business when the schools are opening. Now, meaning that the next week there will be no business, because if the road will remain closed, it will mean the same trade will continue.
If they ask me personally, I'd like Supreme Court to be moved elsewhere, away from the CBD, because when they continue like this, things will not be okay for many people.
As they count their losses, NASA insists that it will go ahead with its planned prayer meeting outside the Supreme Court. In a statement responding to the refusal by police to allow them to hold the said meeting tomorrow, NASA said, and I quote, "We are therefore appalled by information that Nairobi County Police Commander Japhet Koome has rejected the NASA notification. We hope this is fake news." The statement further reads, "We cannot allow dark forces to roll back democratic gains Kenyans have fought and won in the last 25 years. We shall resist this creeping dictatorship." End of quote. Police say that the closure and securing of the Supreme Court is crucial, given the magnitude of the case before it. Meanwhile, if a case was to be lodged against those dumping their plastic plates here, many would be guilty as charged. Well, until Friday, when the Supreme Court determines the presidential petition, security will remain tight and both business and traffic flow might be badly impacted. For Citizen Weekend, I am Anne Mawade.